How to know if Instagram account is open on another device. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can know if your Instagram account is open on another device, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to know if your Instagram account is open on another device, all you have to do is go ahead and then make sure to launch the Instagram application here. And if you think that the Instagram account is also logged in on other devices, come to the profile icon here, tap the three lines option, and then just navigate to settings. And when you navigate to settings, you're gonna see this interface where you want to simply go to security. Now, in order to check which of the accounts or devices are logged into your Instagram, you can go to login activity. Here you'll be able to see a list of locations as well as a device model from which your Instagram account was logged in. So if you don't recognize a certain device, you can just choose to tap the three dots option and then choose to log out from here. And then once you log out, you will be able to successfully remove them and then figure out if someone is logged in. If you're suspicious, then I would also recommend you try changing your password, because changing your password will automatically log out everyone who is logged into your account. So this way you can know if someone is logging into your Instagram account. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.